Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set a vacation responder on Gmail. This is really easy to do, and it's really helpful when you want to be able to not respond to emails during a certain period of time, but you do want the recipient to know that you will get back to them. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your Gmail. So I have my Gmail open right here, and it's pretty simple. From here, you come on over to this little setting right here. You're going to click on that, and you're going to click on Settings. That should open this Settings page. Simple enough. You just scroll down the page until you come to the Vacation Responder right here. So the first thing is you turn it on, and then you choose your start date. For Thanksgiving, we're going to set it to November 21st, and we're going to have a last day as well, and we're going to have that be November 25th, Sunday. For subject, a good thing to put is out of the office. And then for your message, you want it to be brief, but to explain to them that you are out of the office. So you might start like this: thank you for contacting me. I am out of the office from Wednesday, November 21 until Sunday, November 25. I will respond to email upon my return. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving break. Sincerely, Miss Webb. Now, as a quick note on this sincerely is that if you already have a signature built into your Gmail, it will automatically add that. So if you already have a sincerely something, you can put a simple closing instead. But if you do not, you definitely want to put a closing. And you come down here, and there are two options here: only send a response to people in my contacts and only send a response to people in Trinity Catholic High School. You can select those, but people who have not already contacted you, it means they will not get that. So for parent contacts, you might want to leave those off. Another side note is that if you get email that goes directly to your spam folder, or email that's sent to you on a large mailing list, they will not get this response either. So just some quick notes on that. Once you have everything the way you want it, you click Save Changes. And now it's set that on the 21st to the 25th, there'll be a little bar at the top telling me that I have a vacation responder set and what the subject was. Thank you for watching. This has been a tutorial on how to set up your vacation responders. Hope you have a great day. Bye.